Welcome to Tanfon Solar in Papua New Guinea. This is a 500 kilowatt supermarket use solar power system. Solar panel totally is 800 pieces, and each solar panel is 650 watts. And solar panel install area totally is 3,500 square meter. And each 12 pieces solar panel in one street connect to the PV combiner. Totally is 10 pieces PV combiner box and have 8 street. The PV cable is 4 millimeters and the output is 35 millimeters. Connect to the MPPT controller. Each PV combiner connect the one MPPT controller. This is the distribution cabinet. So the MPS inverter output cable will connect to here, and the supermarket load also will connect to your output. So this cabinet will control the output load. Inside the container have one PC 500 kilowatt inverter and 1 megawatt hour lithium battery. This is a 20 feet container, and the air conditioner have totally 3 pieces. One air conditioner, 2, 3. So totally 3 pieces air conditioner. So depending on driving to construction, this supermarket every day using 2,500 kilowatt hour electricity, and the owner already calculation after 2 years this solar system can return back all the money. So after 2 years later, this wholesale solar system can give the free power to whole supermarket.